Hi there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to optimize your website and product descriptions for voice search. Voice search is an increasingly popular way for people to find information and products online, and optimizing your website for voice search can help increase your visibility and drive more sales for your business. So, how do you get started? First, it's important to use natural language in your website and product descriptions. This means writing in a way that is similar to how people speak, rather than using technical or industry-specific terms that may be difficult for voice assistants to understand. Next, consider using long-tail keywords in your website and product descriptions. These are more specific, less competitive keywords that are more likely to be used in natural language searches. For example, instead of using the keyword shoes, you might use a longer phrase like women's black leather boots. Structured data is another important aspect of voice search optimization. This is a way to mark up your website and product pages with additional information that can be easily understood by search engines. This can include information like product name, price, and availability. If your business has a physical location, it's also important to optimize for local search. This means listing your business on local directories and including your location and contact information on your website and product pages. Finally, don't forget to test and optimize your website and product descriptions for voice search. There are a number of tools available, such as Google's Voice Search Optimization tool, that can help you identify any issues and make improvements to increase your visibility in voice search results. Now let's take a quick look at an example. Looking for the perfect pair of comfortable, stylish sneakers? Our women's black leather sneakers are the perfect choice. Made with high-quality leather and a cushioned insole, these sneakers are both fashionable and comfortable. They feature a sleek black color that goes with everything and a durable rubber sole that can handle even the busiest of days. With a lace-up closure and a classic design, these sneakers are perfect for any occasion. Whether you're running errands, going to the gym, or just hanging out with friends, these sneakers are sure to become a staple in your wardrobe. Order yours today and step out in style. In this example, the product name, women's black leather sneakers, and key features, made with leather, cushioned insole, durable rubber sole, lace-up closure, are included in the description. The language is also written in a natural, conversational style that is easy for voice assistants to understand. Additionally, the description includes long-tail keywords like comfortable and stylish sneakers, which are more likely to be used in voice search queries. So there you have it. A few simple steps to help optimize your website and product descriptions for voice search and drive more sales for your business. Thanks for watching, and happy optimizing.